Kaya Bolti Public. Welcome back to iLearning. आज हम बात करेंगे business growth की और वो भी LinkedIn के through. Listen up guys, LinkedIn is no longer just a job hunting platform. It's a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, and ultimately grow their revenue. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, stick around because I'm going to break down a step-by-step strategy that you can implement right away. Guys, imagine you're going on a road trip, right? You wouldn't just get in the car and start driving without a map or a destination in mind. You'd end up lost and frustrated. The same goes for your business. A digital marketing plan is your roadmap to success. It gives you clarity, direction, and helps you track your progress. Without a plan, you're just shooting in the dark, hoping for the best. But with a solid plan, you can allocate your resources effectively, measure what's working, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Trust me, a little planning upfront can save you a lot of headaches and wasted effort in the long run. Now let's talk about setting goals. It's not enough to say, I want more leads or I want to increase sales. You need to get specific and set SMART goals. What does SMART stand for? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want more leads, a SMART goal would be, I want to generate 100 qualified leads through LinkedIn by the end of this quarter. See the difference? It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your business growth, and time-bound. Setting SMART goals will give you a clear target to aim for and help you stay motivated along the way. Chapter 3. Target audience, Jano Apne audience. You can't sell everything to everyone, right? That's why it's crucial to define your target audience, the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Think about their demographics, interests, pain points, and aspirations. LinkedIn provides valuable insights about your connections and target audience. Utilize tools like LinkedIn Analytics to gather data about your followers. Once you have a deep understanding of your ideal customer, you can tailor your messaging, content, and offers to resonate with them on a deeper level. This targeted approach will yield much better results than trying to appeal to everyone. Chapter 4. Digital Marketing Channels. Choose wisely. Just like a good biryani has the perfect blend of spices, your digital marketing strategy needs the right mix of channels. LinkedIn is a powerful platform, but you can amplify your reach by leveraging other channels like social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, email marketing, SEO, and even paid advertising, PPC. The key is to choose the channels where your target audience hangs out. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to be everywhere at once. Focus on the platforms that will give you the highest return on investment, ROI, for your business. Experiment, analyze the results, and double down on what works best for you. Chapter 5. Content is king. Consistency is queen. Now let's talk about content. Content is what will attract, engage, and convert your audience. Create high-quality content that provides value, educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Think about what your ideal customer wants to see and give it to them. But don't just create content randomly. Create a content calendar and schedule your posts in advance. Consistency is key on social media. The more consistently you show up, the more visible you'll become. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your posts and make your life easier. Outro, let's grow your business. There you have it, guys. Your step-by-step guide to skyrocketing your business growth using LinkedIn and digital marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. So go out there, implement these strategies, and watch your business soar to new heights. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your entrepreneur friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Until next time, keep hustling.